All right, guys. So we're going to do, this is for 8th grade, lesson 9, Earth's tilted axis, section 6, the seasons and the sun's path in the sky, question number 1. This is a data table that you guys need to fill out. And you're going to use this website to help you. So I'm going to kind of guide you through how to use this. We're going to use Sacramento, California as the reference point. If you want, you can put Roseville in there. I just feel like there's more data available for Sacramento. So at the top, you're going to see today's info or like that, whatever time that you're looking at it. And then down here, you're going to see equinoxes and solstices 2020. So you guys can just go ahead and use this information here for 2020. So just remember that almost all of these dates are in the past. So just keep that in mind. So for the data table, what I'm going to do first is I'm going to fill in the season and the first day of this season. So the first day of the season. So for summer 2020, I'm going to put that the first day of the season for summer was June 20th because it says June solstice was June 20th over here on the right. And then I'm going to put the autumn was September 22nd and winter was or is going to be December 21st and spring, which is in the past, was March 19th. Okay. Now, it doesn't work out perfectly over here on the left, but I just want you guys to see the days. So we're just going to do all the days that were in 2020. So the one at the top is June 20th. So I'm going to click on June solstice here. And I'm going to scroll down and it'll explain the solstice to me, blah, blah, blah. Like the next one is going to be June 20th, 2021. And it just talks about the solstices. So what I really want to do is figure out the sunrise, sunset, and day length around June solstice 2021. So I'm going to click this one, even though I want 2020's info. So once I'm on there, I'm going to scroll down and you'll see that you kind of have this month and year thing here. So I'm going to change it to 2020 because I want June solstice for 2020. So I'm going to scroll down again, June 2020. I'm going to go down. This is a big chart to June 20th. Okay. And I'm going to see that sunrise and sunset on June 20th. Sunrise was at 5:41. Sunset was at 8:33. So I'm going to fill that in here. So I'm going to do 5:41 a.m. and sunset was at 8:33. And then this column right next to it tells me the length of the day. So it says 14 hours and 51 minutes and 51 seconds. So I'm just going to say 14:51 hours. Okay. Then I want to look for the other solstice, winter solstice, December. Actually, I'm going to click on the other date, which was September 22nd. Okay, so I'm going to just click go. And again, we're just using this chart. Okay, so September 22nd is down here. Sunrise was at 6:54 a.m. and sunset was at 7:01 p.m. and the day length was 12:07. So 12 hours, pretty exact actually. For winter solstice, which is coming up at this point, December 21st, we got December 2020. Let's go there. 2020. And then December 21st. So 7:20 a.m. And we have 4:48 p.m. and we have 9 hours, 28 minutes. I hope I did this right. And then for March, I'm going to change the date once more back in the past, blast to the past, even though it's on the bottom of our chart, March 2020. Okay, so we're going to look at March 19th, 2020. And again, this is in the past. You can look in the future because we pretty much have predicted these things for the future. It's pretty rad. So March 19th, 7:10 a.m. is going to be our sunrise. And March 19th, 7:17 p.m. for sunset. And that is 12 hours and 7 minutes again, I believe. Yes, it is. And so I have a beautiful chart here that is all filled in using the link that I gave you guys. Okay. So hopefully this was helpful, and go ahead and answer the rest of the questions for this. This was helping you with lesson 9, Earth's tilted axis, section 6 in the TCI textbook, the seasons and the sun's path in the sky. Question number 1.